स्टार्ट कर दो।
Thank you. You started. Thank you. Hello to all my champions, my all board warriors. So first game is over, your maths exam. So first, let me know, am I audible to you all? Am I visible to you? I'm so happy, by the way. I'm so happy, my dear. And just let me know, am I audible to you? I know you might be taking tension, my dear. Don't take tension. Whatever you did in exam, that was awesome. Don't take tension. First, let me know, am I audible to you all? Am I visible to you all? So let's do question paper analysis. Yes, just tell me, my dear, in chat section. Come on fast. I'm so tired today. I was not supposed to come, but again I decided to come and to talk to you guys. Hi everyone. So how was your exam? How was your first maths paper? Who is saying very tough? Shobha, yaar, I saw the question paper right away just a few minutes ago. Oh my god. Okay. So let's begin with paper analysis. Hi everyone, hello. First, my lovely hello to all my warriors, my all champions, class 10th warriors. Very good. So Divyanshu is saying, sir, बहुत tough, sir. Oh, come on, Divyanshu. Let me give you some proof here. Do you remember, guys? This question? Come on. Wow. We just solved these questions yesterday. All the questions. If someone who came in my live session yesterday, I hope you remember. Wow. Under root 3 plus under root 5. Yes or no? We did this question yesterday or not? Yes or no? Look at exact number is there. Root 3. So question is exactly came similar question, my dear. Come on. Yes, come on. Let me know. Is this question the same question we did yesterday? Under root 3 plus under root 5 prove irrational number, and this question have come in assertion and reason question. Wow. So I have come up with set 2. This is set 2 question paper. Okay. So look, and just go my yesterday live class, the final revision, and the revision class of 16th February. Same question I solved. Come on, my dear. And look, this question, come on, yaar. This question, if 210a equals to 3, then find out the value of sec a. Come on, my dear. Yes, we have already solved these questions in our class, my dear. Yes, Emerald, section set 2 we are going to discuss here. Don't worry. All the questions from the live class, the student who would have come regularly in my class. Yeah, see, CBSE what? CBSE is not going to ask you question directly. The question will be a bit logical, yes, and that is why you guys are saying very tough. Very easy, come on, my dear. And don't see whatever you guys did, just leave all those things in the examination hall and please focus on next exam. Okay, so whatever you guys performed in exam, don't take tension. Okay. Yes, set 2. So let's begin with analysis. So my dear champion, can you see this is set 2? Oh my god, look at the question. First question, look at the first question, my dear. See, my dear, all the sets are similar. The questions are being shuffled. Okay, the questions are overall, all the questions are similar. So don't say set this set, all the sets are similar. Okay, the questions are being shuffled, but the sets are similar. Okay, questions are similar. Yes. Hi Vinay, hi everyone. So you guys are, oh my god, how you guys are so tensed. All the questions were, people were hyping like CBQ and all the question will be very tough and all that. Each and every question is from your syllabus. Come on, my dear. If you have focused well, if you really worked hard, if you prepared well, you guys can solve a question. But if unfortunately you couldn't solve the question, it's just because of your lack of preparation and all. Otherwise, the questions are from syllabus. See, Divyanshu, questions are similar. Set 2, set 3. You know, shuffling us there. Hi everyone. So let's do. Which option will be correct here? If PQ and PR are tangent to the circle with center O and radius is given, and one situation is given to you here, QPR is 90 degree. Come on, my dear. If QPR is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is tangent. This is tangent. So this will also be 90 degree, according to theorem. And if we join this, this will also be 90 degree. So can you see, my dear, this 90 degree is already given here. So OPQR has become OQPR is a square. Yes, my dear, OPQR is a square. And if you have a square, yes, my dear, this has become square. Yes, my dear, yes. Now, look, my dear, in this question, radius is given to you. So, if radius is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, so this will also be 4 centimeter. Why? Because OQPR is a square. And we have to find out here what will be the length of OP. Means OP will be the diagonal of the square. Yes, my dear. So OP will be equal to under root 4 square plus 4 square, 4 square plus 4 square. So we can write here 2 into 4 square. So 4 will come out. So 4 root 2 is the answer. 4 root 2 centimeter is correct answer. Hi everyone. Oh, Divyanshu, very sad to see this. Hi everyone. So who marked option number B? Come on, let me know. Who marked option number B? Yes. This option is correct? Come on, tell me honestly. The student who marked the option number B for this question, 4 root 2 centimeter is correct. Why, my dear? Because OPQR has become a square and we need to find out the diagonal. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Because the square is there, no? Yes. Tell me honestly. Who marked? Me, sir. Chirag Ahlawat, congratulations. Your answer is correct. 4 root 2 centimeter will be correct answer. Sharma is saying, sir, I fought with the teacher. Why, buddy? This is your examination. Black Panther is there. Yes, sir. Option number B. Don't fight with anyone, Sharma. Yes, Pratibha. Yes, this is set 2. This is set 2. We are discussing here set 2. Yeah, tell me, sir. Sanjay, very good. Set 2 was difficult, right? Or any other set was... Oh, nothing difficulty is there, my dear. Everything is from your syllabus. See, you were asking me, so many students were asking me in yesterday live, sir, how will be the question paper, the standard? And I told you guys there, the question will be a bit logical, but the question will be from syllabus, your NCERT based question. And look, logical question. In just 3 lines we can solve. Yes. Okay, moving to next question. Look at the question number 2. CBSE have checked your, critical thinking, how much you guys can think betterly. So this is the question. Sir, 35 are very lengthy. Hi Rohit, hello. Triangle, 5 marks. So have you attempted all the questions? Tell me your name, my dear students. Please, my dear student, tell me the student who have attempted all the question, the student who even don't leave even a question. So I think the student who attempted every question, if you are unsure about the solution, unsure about the answer, but if you attempted or not, just let me know. If you guys have attempted all the questions or not, please tell me. Yes. Okay. Okay, so look at the solution. So an ice cream cone of radius. So basically there is a cone, okay, of radius r, perfect, and h height, okay. So this is height h, okay. Now is completely filled by 2 spherical scoops. By 2 spherical, come on, spherical scoops means 2 spherical scoops, 1 spherical scoop and other spherical scoop, and having radius of this is r by 2 and radius of this sphere is r by 2, and we have just used this sphere to fill the conical ice cream, my dear. So the volume of two sphere will be equal to volume of whole cone. So volume of whole cone will be equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. H will be equal to 2 into 2 sphere is there. So we can write here 4 by 3 pi, and radius is what, my dear? Radius is given as r by 2. So r by 2 whole cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. And why I'm multiplying 2? Because two spheres are there. Getting my point? Now pi by 3 and here pi by 3 cancelled, right? So this is r square. H is equal to, can we multiply this? 4 2 ja 8, and this is r cube, my dear, and 2 cube will be 8 here. So 8 cancel here, and this r square will cancel, one more r. So we have h equals to r. Oh my god, we have proved that h equals to r, and it implies that r by h will be 1 by 1. It means 1:1 is your correct answer, champions. 1:1 is the correct answer, option number C. Option number C is correct answer. Who marked option number C? 1:1. Tell me, who marked option number A? Option number C, which is 1:1. Please tell me your name honestly. Who have marked option number C? 1:1 is correct answer. Please tell me. Come on, my dear, fast. 1:1. See, Golu. Perfect, Golu. Very good, Golu. Correct. Solo is right. Correct, Solo. So the student who would have come in my live class, in my class regularly, and I'm challenging you guys, the question, every question, all the questions are relatable to from my class, my dear. I'll be giving you the proof also. Don't worry. I'll be giving you the proof, my dear. Yes. Abey yaar. Chirag, me sir. Very good, Chirag. 1:1 is correct. Superb. Moving to next question, question number 3. Look at question number 3. My buddy, question is an arc. So basically, you know, circle is there and this is center. An arc, this is called an arc. So this is PQ, my dear, right? So an arc subtend at angle theta. This is theta at the center theta. Okay, of the center of the circle with radius 6.3. The radius is 6.3 centimeter, and PQ, the length of the arc is given here 11 centimeter. Then what will be the value of theta? My dear champion, you know there is formula, very powerful formula. Length of arc is equal to theta by 360 2 pi r. If you remember, I have suggested you yesterday, my dear, I suggested you yesterday, please keep this formula in your mind, and the question will come directly from the formula based. Okay, so length of the arc is given here 11, so put 11 here. So theta, we don't know theta, we have to find here theta. Now 2 into pi is what, my dear? 22 by 7, and radius is what? 6.3, and 6.3 can also be written as 63 by 10. Yes, my dear, 6.3 can be written as 63 by 10. So now 7 will cancel this by 9 times, right, my dear champion? This 9 will cancel this by 40 times. Correct, my dear? This 9 4 ja. Now this will, can you see here? This theta by 360. Now can you see here? This 11 will cancel this by 2 times. Yes, my dear. And now what we are getting here? This is 1. The left side is 1, and theta is 2 2 4. 4 into theta by 40 into 10. Right? This 10 is there. So now this will cancel here by 10 times. So theta will be equal to 100 degree. 100 degree is correct answer. Solo, very good, Solo. Yes, Divyanshu, superb, guys, my student. I love you all. 100 degree is correct. As I expected to all my students who came in my class regularly, these questions is zero for all of you. Just nothing for you all, guys. Come on. The student who would have come in my live class continuously and regularly, all the student can solve such question. This is nothing. This is just, child type question. Hi Harsh, hello. Hi Chirag. Yes, 100 degree is correct. Yes, superb, guys. Manisha, don't worry, the questions are almost same. Yes, Golu, don't worry, I'll be coming with set 3 also, don't worry. Very good, Pratibha, very good. I hope this question is clear to everyone. So 100 degree, D is correct answer, 100 degree. Now moving to next. Oh my God, this question is directly based on identity. Thanks, sir. This question is directly based on identity. If you remember in trigonometric identities, I taught you guys 1 plus tan square can be written as sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A can be written as cosec square A. Yes or not? Yes or not? Yes. Now sec is the reciprocal of cos, so it can be written as 1 upon cos square A, and cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so it can be written as 1 upon sine square A. Now sine square will go there now, so this will become sine square A, and this will multiply with this, so this will become cos square A. And you remember sine by cos A is tan A, but a square is there, so the result will be tan square is correct answer. Wow, option number 1 will be correct. Very good, very good. So the student who would have come in my live classes regularly, I think, I'm so happy. Seriously, I don't know you guys performed well or not, but I'm satisfied with my teaching, and whatever the content I deliver to you guys, I'm fully satisfied. Now there might be performance might be good and bad also. It depends on your mentality, it depends on preparation, but the question that I discussed in my live classes, in my regular classes, all the questions have come from that session, my dear. Tell me honestly, right? Yes or no? Honestly, if you agree with me or not. Come on, if you agree with me or not, please yes or no, give me response, yes or no, if you are agree with me. Come on, my dear, you all are awesome. Okay, Bhumika is saying I took 20 minutes in just filling the OMR sheet. So please practice these things first before sitting exam, na? Okay, now moving to next question. Oh wow, can you see the question here? 3 tennis balls are just packed. Are just packed. This is very important term. Are just packed. It means all 3 balls are touching each other. Come on, all 3. Hi everyone. Okay, all 3 balls are just packed. It means all 3 balls are touching each other. Now, okay, now if the radius of each ball is r, now let me give you the solution. So if the radius of each ball is r, so what will be this complete, my dear? This complete will be 2r, because that is the diameter. And again here this will also be 2r, and again this will also be 2r, if you agree with me, right, my dear? So the height of this cylindrical jar will be 2r, so this will be 6r. Yes, my dear, are you agree or not? 2r plus 2r plus 2r, so height will be 6r. This is what I'm writing there. 6r will be the height, my dear. 2r, so the height will be 6r. Now what we have to find here, then the volume of the air inside. Oh come on, the volume will be, the air will be here at these gaps, the gapping present inside the jar. The air will be occupied here, so how we can find out the volume of air occupied? So volume of air will be equal to what, my dear? Volume of cylinder, complete cylinder, volume of complete cylinder, minus how many balls are there? 3 balls are there, so 3 into volume of ball. And all the balls are dimensionally same, so we can write there 3 into volume of ball, right? So volume of cylinder is what, my dear? Pi square r square h, minus 3 into, all the balls are spherical. We know tennis ball are spherical in shape, so the volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Come on, my dear, r cube is there. Come on, so can we solve this? So r square, and h will be what, my dear? 6r. Yes, h is given there, and h of the cylinder will be 6r, so we can put here 6r minus 3 cancel here, so we are getting here 4 pi r cube, and this will be 6 into pi into r square into r will be r cube minus 4 pi r cube. Yes, 6 pi minus 4 pi will be 2 pi r cube is your answer. 2 pi r cube is answer. 2 pi r cube is answer. Yes, who marked this question correctly? 2 pi r cube is the correct answer. Yes, tell me, my dear. 2 pi r cube. See, the CBQ, what, you know, CBQ question were supposed to come this year in exam. You all know this, the new rule is imposed by CBSE. So this is CBQ, my dear. Look, the variety of question. So you have to think about the situation, my dear. Yes, who marked this question correctly? Please give me thumbs up. Yes, sir, my answer is correct. Yes, Neetu, Bhumika, Abdul, everyone. A. Wow, Pratibha, you marked A? Pratibha, you marked A, yes or no? Very good. Chirag, Ahlawat, A, very good. Yes, Abdul. Yes, who marked option number A? Sakki, come on, tell me. Who marked option number A is correct for this question? Yes, Golu, superb. All the very best champions. See, almost questions are similar, but the questions are being shuffled basically by, in different sets. Okay, now moving to next question, question number. Look at the question, come on. So this question is from probability. Two different dices are rolled together, thrown together, rolled together, everything is same. The probability that the both obtained numbers are less than 4. What will be the probability that the number occurred on both the dice is less than 4? Very soon, set 3 will be very soon, don't worry, champion. Why, Abdul? Why you are saying this? Come on, otherwise I'll be tensed. What is this? Neetu, what are these questions? Look, different dices. I have already solved such questions so many times. What there is challenging in this question? You are saying, sir, what rubbish you guys are. See, look at the question. If two dices are thrown simultaneously, I have already solved such questions so many times. So how many possible outcomes are there? See, when two dices are thrown simultaneously, so how many possible outcomes are there? 36 possible outcomes are there, right? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. But here the situation is, what will be the probability that the obtained numbers are less than 4? Obtained number are less than 4. Do you remember? Some student is writing here. Neetu is writing, sir. You told me. Look, let me show you some proof here. Let me show you everything we discussed. Come on, my dear. Everything we discussed. Family. Okay, let me show you a short proof, my dear. Okay, can you see this question? Can you see this question? Come on, look at the question. Look at the question. 2, 10, a 3. Is it there? Is it there? First is this. Okay, please look at the question. Now, can you see this question? Exactly, number is also same. Root 3 plus root 5. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. So I'm coming closer to the camera. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? Can you see here? See, come on, my dear. Can you see the number? The number in the question? Look. Look. Root 3 plus root 5. And this is from my video. This is from my lecture video. Root 3 plus root 5 exactly same. Root 3 plus root 5. Go and watch my yesterday live session. Even the number are also same. Even the numbers are also same. Come on. Even the numbers are also same. Root 3 plus root 5. And we discussed this question yesterday. And I told you guys, mark my words, this question will be appearing in your exam tomorrow. Yes, my dear. That was my words yesterday. And look. Come on, my dear. So this is all about your consistency, your honesty, your preparation and all. Okay. So how you prepared, how was your preparation and everything. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? And okay, superb, everyone. Okay, look at the question. So what will be the probability that the number shown on both the dice is less than 1? So there are these possibilities: 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 will not be counted because both the numbers, the probability that obtained numbers are less than 5. And how many dice are thrown? 2 dice are thrown. Okay, now 2 comma 1 can be counted, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 will be there. Now if I talk about 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 will be counted. Now if I talk about 4 will not be counted. If I talk about 5, so in 5 will not be counted because we are talking about the number should be less than 4. Both the numbers should be less than 4. So 5 row will not be counted, 6 row will not be counted, and 4 row will not be counted. So how many possibilities are there? Can you see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 possibilities are there. And how many total possible outcomes? 36 possible outcomes. Can we cancel here? So the answer will be 1 by 4. Option number 2 will be the correct. Can you see? This is the question. Come on. Yes, my dear. So look at the question. The probability that both the numbers obtained are less than 4. So less than 4, how many possibilities are there? 9 possibilities. 1 comma 1 will be counted, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 will not be counted. Right, getting my point? If we talk about in 2, 2 comma 1 will be counted, 2 comma 2 will be counted, 2 comma 3 will be counted. Now in 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3 will be counted, nothing will be there. Okay, Neetu, now I understood. See, why I picked up, I solved quality question, a bit good level question for you, so that these questions you guys will feel very easy and comfortable for you. Getting my point? So when we prepare advanced level, so basic will be very easy for us. This is the reason, my dear. Right? Now moving to next. ABCD is a parallelogram such that this is just this question. Look at the question. It looks very difficult, but seriously this question is very easy. This is just based on similarity of triangle. If you know the similarity, you can solve this question. Look, so can you see there are two triangles? There are two triangles. Triangle ADF and triangle EFB. Now, if ABCD is a parallelogram, so my dear champion, this angle will be equal to this angle by alternate angle. Right, and this angle will be equal to this angle. So if two angles are equal, then the triangle will be similar to each other. And if the triangle are similar, so triangle, can we write here the triangle AFD will be similar to triangle BFE. Yes, my dear, both the triangles are similar. Why? By double A similarity. Why? Two angles are equal to each other. Now, if the triangles are similar, you can verify, na? The AFD will be equal to BFE. Now, this angle ADF will be equal to BEF. ADF. This angle will be equal to this angle. So we have to change this triangle. The triangle will be equal to EFB will be considered. Why? Because both the angles should be, corresponding angles should be equal to each other. ADF. So ADF will be equal to EBF. Now perfect. DAF will be equal to BEF. Perfect. So this will not be considered. This will be considered because by taking these two pairs, all the angles, corresponding angles are matching with each other. Now what we have to find out here? FD we have to find. So we can write FD. So if we are taking FD, we have to take here FB. FB by FB is equal to, now what we know here in this question. Now so FD we have taken, FD by FB we have taken. Now we can take AF. So if we take AF here, AF, this will come EF. So can you see FD? We don't know FD. We have to find out FD. And FB is given here. FB is 3. AF is given there. AF is 7. Now EF is given there 4. So FD is in front of you. 7 3 here 21. So 21 by 4. FD will be equal to 21 by 4 centimeter is answer. Option number A will be the correct. Option number A will be correct. Yes, tell me honestly, who answered this question? Who answered this question correct? Tell me honestly. Tell me honestly, who answered this question correct? 21 by 4. Tell me honestly, my dear champion, honestly. Hi Neetu, Chirag, Vinay, everyone, please tell me. Yes, tell me please, my dear. Is it clear all? Is it clear all, champions? Yes sir, very good, Chirag. Okay, moving to next question. Wow, I can solve this question just in a second. Come on, look at the solution. Look. So PQ is a tangent. Come on, PQ is a tangent. My dear champion, if PQ is a tangent, so this angle will be 90 degree. This is confirmed by theorem. Because O is the center, so OP will be radius. So this is 90 degree confirmed. Okay. Now, if POR is 65 degree, come on, my dear. If POR is 65 degree, and can you see here, this angle X will be equal to X. We can let this as X and X. Why? Because this is radius, so both the angles will be equal to each other. And come on, dear, if this is 65 degree, so what will be this angle? This 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65, so this will be equal to 115 degree. Is it clear, everyone? So if that is 150 degree, the remaining two angle will be equal to, can we write 115 plus x will be equal to 180. So 2x will be equal to 180 minus 115. So 2x will be equal to 180 minus 115 will be what, my dear? So f will be there and 6 will be there. So x we are getting here is equal to 32.5. X is equal to 32.5, right? And once you get x, now can you see the triangle, the bigger triangle? Look at triangle, this triangle, the bigger triangle, this triangle, the triangle SPT. Can you see the triangle? And PTR is in this triangle, same triangle. This is the PTR. And we have this X, we have this 90. Now can we find PTR? So PTR plus 90 plus X will be equal to 180 degree, right? So PTR will be equal to what? 90, 180 minus 90 plus X. And X is equal to what, my dear? 32.5. So can we solve this? So PTR will be equal to 180 minus 90 plus 32.5 will be what, my dear? 2, 9, 3 are 12. This is. So 180 minus 125 will be your answer. 180.0 and this is 122.5. So we can take common, this 5 will be your 9. This is 7 is here and this is 7.5. Wow, my dear, 57.5 is correct answer. 57.5 is correct answer. 57.5 is correct answer. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Tell me, my dear. Who attempted this question correctly? 52.5 will be, 57.5 will be the correct answer. Tell me your name, please. 57.5. So we are doing here standard maths. Sad. Don't be sad. Okay. Hi RKV. RKV, don't say this. Everyone is yours. I am yours. Every teacher here on Diksha Vedanta is yours. Okay. Now moving to next question. Okay. Look at the question. Very easy question. A circle centered at this passes through. Okay, there is a circle. And the circle, the center is O, which is minus 1, 2, and this circle is passing through this point. It means this point will be on circumference. On what will be the radius? Distance formula. Apply distance formula. So radius we can find out under root 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 will become 0 plus 1 plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 square plus 3 minus 2 will be 1 square. So R is equal to root 2. Don't say this. The question was so tough and hard and lengthy. Look, my dear, come on, don't say this. You cannot say this. Look at the level of question. So root 2 centimeter is correct answer. So option number this will be the correct. Okay, moving to wow, this is good question. I can say this is good question. Yes, my friend, this is good question. So tell me who attempted this question well and give me correct response, honest response, guys. You marked in exam. You marked the option of this question in your exam. Tell me your name and guys give me your option. Which option you guys have marked in exam for this question? I want to see from you guys. I'm looking at chat section. Tell me, my dear, which option you guys think the correct will be. Which option will be correct? What you guys think? Come on, give me a response of this question. This is logical, I can say, but very easy. Very easy. Tell me, which option will be correct? Hi Chirag, RKV, Neetu, Ankita and all. Tell me, which option will be correct? And don't take tension, buddy. Don't take tension. Focus on next exam, huh? Okay, tell me, which option will be correct? C. Ankita is saying C. Hi sir, hi son of Ambedkar. Wow. Ankita is saying C. Okay, what about others? What about others? Which option will be correct? Okay, yeah, tell me. Okay, so let me give you the correct answer. So, by the way, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF, my dear. So you all know if two triangles are similar, so this is obvious that if we take AB by ED will be equal to, if we take AC here, so we have to take EF here, AC by EF. So this is correct. So option number B is correct. Perimeter of similar triangle goes in the ratio of corresponding side. But if we talk about the ratio of similar triangle, the area of ratio of similar triangle, right? So it goes in a square form. But perimeter simply comes AB by. So this is also correct. This is also correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. So this is incorrect. And in this question we have to find out the not true. So the option number C will be there. Okay, option number C. Yes, Ankita, very good. All the very best. Your answer is correct. Option number C is correct for this question. Super. Option number C is correct. Superb, everyone. Yes. See, why option number D is correct? Let me show you. Why option number D is correct? My dear, if I can write here for this triangle, simple, AB by AC. If I am writing AB by AC, can you see AB by AC? So AB by AC can also be written as here. AB by AC can be written as ED by EF. Agree? So this is equation number 1. Right? So AB by AC can be written as ED by EF. Now again, if I write here BC by AC, I am taking BC by AC. So BC by AC can be written as, if we are taking BC, so we have to take DF here. So DF by EF. And this is second, my dear. Now add both. So if we add both, so AB by AC plus BC by AC equals to ED by EF plus DF by EF. Right? Can we take common here? LCM. So AB plus BC by AC will come, and here ED plus DF by EF come. Oh my God! Can you see the option number 4? Option number 4 is exactly same. Check it once. So this is also possible. Which is not possible? This is not possible. Why? Because angle A is equal to angle D, which is correct. Now, which is incorrect. Why? Because if we are taking angle A corresponding will be E. Yes, the corresponding of angle A is E. But here what they are giving? The corresponding of angle A is D, which is incorrect. So this C will be correct. Okay. Now, question number 11. Is it clear, everyone? Question number 11. If the roots of equation are real and equal. So, oh my God, this is most repeated question of my student. live class. If the roots are real and equal, so what we have to do? D will be equal to 0. The discriminant will be 0. So if discriminant will be 0, it means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Now what is b here? B is minus k root 3. So minus k root 3 whole square minus 4, a will be 1. Coefficient of, and this is equals to 2, minus k square will be k square root 3 square will be 3, so 3k square plus will be there, and 4 2 ja 8 equals to 3, so k square will be equal to 8 by 3. Now if we remove a square, these will go under root, so under root k, root of 8 will be 2 root 2, and this will be remaining in root 3, so root 2 by root 3, and we can also as it is keep this as it is. It will be option under root 8 by. Hi Ashika, very good. Ayushi paper easy, very good. Hi Vansh, hello champion. So option number B will be correct for this question. Very easy. Discriminant, take discriminant is 0, and once you take discriminant is 0, you have B, you have A, you have C, put the value, get the answer. Okay, moving to next question. Question number, this is just, we don't require even pen. We don't require even pen. So there is a graph given to you, polynomial, and we have solved this question again earlierly. So observe the graph of polynomial px. Number of zeros of px will be, oh my god. So the point of intersection with x-axis will give you the number of zeros. Because y is px, it means the polynomial is in the form of x. So number of x intersection will give you zeros. So how many intersection? 1, 2, 3. Option number 3 will be correct. Option number 3 will be correct. Yes, fine, buddy. Okay, so option number D will be correct answer. Now moving to the next question, question number 3. Look here. When I was teaching you guys the statistics, I strictly instructed you guys to memorize this formula. If you remember, mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. If you remember, please tell me. Agree? Yes or no? Yes or no, if you remember. I strictly instructed you, advised you, suggested you to keep this formula in mind. The question will come in your exam. And look at the question. Look at the question here. Okay? Look at the question. Okay. So, mean and median of the frequency distribution are 43 and 40. Then what will be the value of mode? So, use this formula. So, mode will be equal to 3 median. And where is median? Median is equals to 40. So, 3 into 40 minus 2 into, where is mean? Mean is 43. Now, solve this. 43 is 120 and this is equal to 43 into 2. 43 into 2. So 120 minus 86 will be what, my dear? This will be 4 and this is 11. So 34 is correct answer. Any option here? Option number A will be correct answer. 34 is correct answer. Yes, tell me, my dear. Whose answer is correct? Who marked option number A? Tell me your name, please. Whose answer is correct? Who marked option number A for this question? I know so many students have marked decimal because decimal look like something very unique, different value. So sometimes student goes to decimal value. Oh, it might be answer, it might be answer. Because decimal is there. So decimal is just for confusion, my dear. Option number A is the correct answer, 34. Okay, everyone. Very good. Yes, Chirag, option A. Moving to next question. Area of sector of a circle with radius 18 centimeter this. Oh my dear. Area of sector is given to you and radius we have. So area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square is given to you, which is 198. Right? And where is theta? We don't know theta. We have to find out the center angle. So theta by 360, pi can be written as 22 by 7. And what is radius? 18. So 18 can be written as 18 into 18 equals to 198. Right? So theta will be what? Can we cancel here? 18 will cancel this. 18 2 ja 36. Right? And this 11 will cancel 11 2 ja and 10 2 ja. Right? Again it will cancel 5 2 ja 10 and 9 2 ja 18. Now for theta the format will become 198 into this 5 will go there, multiplication form, and this 11 into 9 will go there, and 1 7 is also there. This 5, 7 and 180, so 7 will also get, and this is 11 into 9, 11 into 9. Now what we can do here, can you see my dear? So theta will become equal to 9 will cancel here, 9 2 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18 and 1 and 9 2 ja again 18, right? So 11 will cancel, 11 2 ja, so we are getting here 7 5 ja 35, 35 2 ja 70 degree answer. 70 degrees answer, option number A. 70 degree answer, option number A will be correct. Yes, option number A will be correct. Okay, now moving to, oh wow, this question is from direct from live class, direct. I'll be coming out with one more video. I'll be giving you the proof and all. This question we have discussed, my dear. If 2 tan A equals to if 2 tan A equals to 3, then what will be the value of sec A? So tan A can be written as 3 by 2, and we have a very special formula, sec square A is equal to 1 minus tan square. We can solve this question by so many methods. Even we can use the triangle method also, by finding out the base and hypotenuse and all. Okay, so can we write sec square A? Sec will be there 1 minus tan square A under root form, right? Now 1 minus 10 a is 3 by 2. So if we put 3 by 2, so this will go 9 by 4. So 4 will go there. So sec A will be equal to 4 minus 9 and divided by 4. So which are getting here 1 plus 10 square. Oh, what we have written here, this is 1 plus 10 square A, 1 plus 10 square A equals to sec square A, right? So we are just written here opposite form, right here plus, my dear, because we are finding here this. So plus will be there. Oh my god, under root 13 by 4. So under root 13 by 2. This is answer, root 13 by 2, root 13 by 2, root 13 by 2. This. Look how confusing options are given by CBSE. Come on, my dear. Root 13 by root 2 is also there. So, and that is the first option. So, you know, when the student, due to pressure and due to, you know, hype and due to fear, student might take this option also, but that will not be, because under root 4 is there. So under root 4 will come as out 2. Okay. Hi Rudra, how was your exam, Rudra? So option number D will be correct. Okay, moving to next chapter number, question number, inconsistent. So when the solution, when the pair of linear equation become inconsistent, then no solution is there. When no solution is there, right? When no solution is there. So for no solution, which is the condition, my dear? A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2, but will not be equal to C1 by C2. So come on, use this format now. So first, to use this format, we have to convert this equation to general format. So by taking LCM, so LCM will be 6. So this will go 3x, this will go 2y equals to 5. So 3x plus 2y equals to 6, 5 to 30. This is the first equation. Now use equation. So A1 is 3, A2 is here 2, A2, B1 is 2, and this is B2 is K, will not be equal to 7. Sorry, we are taking that value first. 30 and divided by 7. Now can we use these pair for finding out K? So 3K will be equal to 4. So K will be equal to 4 by 3. Any option here? K will be equal to 4 by 3. Come on, my dear. Option number will be correct. Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Moving to next question. In an AP, A is minus 3. Okay, A is minus 3. S17 is given to you 357, and what will be the value of A17? Very easy question. If S17 is given to you, so we can write format 17 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 means 16 into d will be equal to Sn is given to you 357, right? So by using the formula of Sn, so basically this is d, my dear. Now in this question, A is also given to you, right? So 7 by 2 into 2 into A is minus 3. A is minus 3, right? Plus 16d is equal to 357. So 2 will go there, and 2 will go in multiplication form, and 17 will go in division. And this will become minus 6 plus 16d. And we can also take common direct 2. 2 will be, so instead I think instead of making solution complex, we can take common directly. 17 by 2, and we have taken 2 common. So here only we have taken 2 common. So this will be minus 3 and this will be 8d. Right, minus 3 plus 8d equals to 357. Now 2 will cancel here. 17 will go there. So minus 3 plus 8d will be equal to 357 by 17. Can you see? Can we divide here? 17 can we divide? 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 35. Okay, don't do this. Let's keep it as it is. So this will become this will become minus 3 plus 8d will be equal to 357 by 17. So 8d will be equal to 357 by 7 plus 3. Right. Now 8d will be equal to, can we take LCM now? So this will become 357 plus 17 51. So 8d will be equal to 718 will be there, and 7550 0 is there, and 408 is there, 17. Now 17 can cancel this. 17 2 ja 34 and 17 4 ja 68. Yes, I think this will be there, and d will be equal to 3. Oh wow, you have a and you have d. Now you can find a17. So a17 will be equal to a plus 16d, my dear. You have a is minus 3 plus 16 into d. D is equal to 3, my dear. Okay, so minus 3 plus 48, and 48 is equal to 45 is answer. Any option? Oh my god, 45 is correct answer. Okay, 45 is correct answer. So after getting the value of a and d, then only we can find out the value of a17 by using this formula, a plus 16d. This is the beauty of this question. Okay, moving to next question. Look at the question. This is good. Yes, look at the question. So basically this is x-axis, this is y-axis, my dear. So if origin is this is origin, so the coordinate will be 0, 0. This is obvious, coordinate will be 0, 0. And the center is 1, 2, and we have to find out the diameter. And we all know once we get radius, so we can directly get the diameter of it. So we have to focus here on radius, and this will be the radius. Come on, my dear, this will be the radius. Can we use distance formula? Yes, my dear. So radius will be equal to under root 1 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So radius will be equal to 1 plus root square, 2 square will be 4. So this is equal to under root 5. This is both answer. We are looking for diameter. So diameter will be twice of this. So double of this. 2 root 5 will be diameter. Any option is correct? Option number B is correct. Option number B will be correct. 2 root 5 will be correct answer. I hope this is clear to you. The double of radius will be diameter. The double of radius will be diameter. Okay, moving to next question. Question number 18. Oh wow, this question is from lecture. From like that. So root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Of course, we have even proved this question yesterday. This is an irrational number. So assertion is absolutely correct. Sum of the any two irrational numbers is always irrational. Yes, my dear. Sum of two irrational number is always irrational. So here assertion, region both are correct, and yes, region is the correct explanation. Correct explanation of 19. So assertion and region both are true, and R is the correct. So option number A will be correct for this question. Yes, everyone. Is it clear to all? Tell me. Now look at the question. If probability of happening of an event is this. So my dear, if the probability is 0.2p and p is greater than 0, my dear, if probability of any event is equal to 0.2p, so can we write this as 2 by 10p? Yes, 0.2, and this is cancelled here. So probability of event will be equal to p by 5. P by 5. Right, P by 5 is the probability. P by 5 is the probability. And this is the most important thing is probability max to max go to 1. So here the question is probability of event is 0.2p. P cannot be more than 5. Yes, this is correct. P cannot be more than 5. P cannot be more than 5. If P will be more than 5, my dear, look my dear, this is P. If P will be more than 5, let 6 is there. So favorable outcome cannot be greater than P. See, listen, what we are getting here, probability of E is equal to P by 5, right? And question is saying P can't be more than 5, which is absolutely correct, because this is favorable outcome and this is total number of outcomes. So favorable outcome cannot be greater than this total number of outcome, because the maximum probability is 1. So P can be equal to 5. P can be equal to 5, but P cannot be greater than 5. So assertion is absolutely correct. Assertion is absolutely correct. Okay. So assertion is absolutely correct. Now look, P is equal to 1 minus P. This is absolutely correct. Probability of occurring of not event is equal to 1 minus probability of occurring of that event, because sum of probability of occurring that event and sum of the probability of not occurring that event is equal to 1. So both are correct, but this is not correctly explaining the first one. We are subtracting 1, so we can say here yes, 1 minus we are subtracting, so we can say both assertion and region are true and R is the correct explanation. So we can say A correct will be there. Moving to next question. Wow, section B, my dear. I hope everything is clear to you all. Now moving to section number B. Section number B is what? Very easy question. Prove that 2 plus root 3 5 is come on yaar. By doing assumption method, assume this as equal to what? Rational number. So we can write as P by Q. And once you write P by Q, you can solve. Now this is question HCF of this and this is expressed as this, my dear. So the HCF of 210 and 55 is expressed as this. So 5 can divide this, 5 can be divided this. Yes, my dear. So HCF of these two numbers is 5, my dear. HCF of these two numbers will be, I'm doing B question, 5, and this is HCF format. So we can write here 5 is equal to 210 into 5 plus 55m, right? So we want to find the value of m here. So this 210 into 5 will go there. 5 minus 210, very easy question. 210 into 5 and divided by this 55. And the m will be alone. So 5, can we take 5 common? So 5 will common, 1 minus 210 divided by 55 equal to m. This 5 will cancel 11 times, and 1 minus 20 will be minus 209. 209 by 11 equals to m. M will cancel by 19 times. So m is equal to minus 19 is correct answer. Minus 19 is correct answer for this question. For this question, m will be equal to minus 19 is correct answer. Now, can you see the question? In the given figure, D is parallel. Oh, come on, yaar, go and apply BPT. This question is fully based on BPT. This question is completely based on BPT, and this is from your NCERT textbook. Can you see? D is parallel to AC. So which triangle will be there? DE is parallel to AC. So this triangle will be taken initially. Right, apply BPT. Now one more information is given here. DF is parallel to E. So DF, here is DF. Here is DF. This is DF is parallel to this. So which triangle will be taken? This triangle will be taken. Now apply BPT in both the triangles. After applying BPT in both the triangles, you can get the result. Very easy question. Very easy question, just based on BPT. Means your observation should be great here. If your observation is strong, first take these two this triangle, the bigger one, the larger one, and then take this triangle, because this is parallel to this. So everything is in this. Everything is visible. Very easy. Now, okay, moving to next question. Verify the roots of the quadratic equation. This and this are equal when P plus Q is, oh God. So apply D. D is equal to B square minus 4AC, right? And D is equal to what, my dear? D is equal to B will be taken as Q minus R. Q minus R whole square minus 4. A is P minus Q. P minus Q, and this is R minus P, right? Now, can you see here? Can you see here, my dear? This is Q minus R square, and this is 2P. So Q plus R here is given as equal to 2P. So open this bracket here. So Q square plus R square minus 2QR, right? And here we can open the bracket. So P into R, PR minus P square, and this is minus QR. and this is minus minus plus QP. Right, now open the bracket. So after opening the bracket, we are getting Q square plus R square minus 2QR, and this will become here minus 4PR minus minus 4P square, and this is minus minus plus 4QR, and this is plus minus minus 4PQ. Now we can here look. This is 2QR and this is 4QR. So what we can write here? This is 4QR and this is 2QR. So we can write here 2QR. So we are getting here Q square plus Q square minus 4PR, and here plus 4P square, and this minus 2QR, this will become plus 2QR, and this is already minus 4Q. Now can you see here Q plus R is 2P, and if Q plus R is 2P, we can replace Q as 2P minus R, and if you replace Q at the place of Q, 2P minus R, wherever Q is there, 2P minus R, and Q is also here also. So after putting this value, you can get the result equal to 0. So use this value, your result will come in front of you. Verify the roots of the quadratic equation are equal. So when the roots of quadratic equation are equal, means discriminant will always be equal to 0. So we have to apply here this method. By using this, we can get the result. Okay, now moving to this, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this, and then what will be the value of this? So my dear, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square, we can write here alpha square into beta square. So beta square will go there, alpha square will go there, and yes, beta square plus alpha square can also be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? And this is already alpha into beta whole square. So can you see here, alpha plus beta is sum of root, alpha into beta is product of root, alpha and beta in product of root. So alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, and this is already minus 6. So we can write 6 by 3 whole square minus 2 into c by a. C is what? Minus 5 by a is 3 here, divided by alpha into beta. So alpha into beta will be c by a, and c is what? Minus 5, and divided by 3 whole square. Now solve this. So after solving this, this will become this will cancel, 3 2 is 6. So after cancelling, 2 square will be 4, this 2 square will be 4. Okay, 2 square will be 4, minus plus 5 2 is 10, 10 divided by 3, right, divided by minus 5 square 25 divided by 9. Now can we take LCM? So if by taking LCM, 3 will go there, 12 plus 10 divided by 3 divided by 25 by 9. So 12 plus 10 will be 21, 22 into this 9 will go there, divided by 3 into 25. 3 into 25, right? 3 will cancel here. So we are getting here 66 divided by 25 is answer. 66 divided by 25 is answer, my dear. 66 divided by 25 is the answer for this question. Okay, this is very easy question. Come on, I don't need to do this question. By rationalizing this, can we rationalize here? In this bracket, under root we can rationalize. 1 plus sine a is there, divided by 1 minus sine a. Can we rationalize into 1 plus sine a? We can write here, divided by 1 plus sine a, right? So this will become a plus b whole square. 1 plus sine a whole square will be there, and this is a square minus b square, 1 minus sine square a, and we all know 1 plus sine square a, okay, write this as it is, whole square, and 1 minus sine square is cos square a. So in under root, both family is in square form, so we can write separately 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a divided by cos a will come 1 plus 1 plus sine a divided by cos a will come. So can we write separately 1 by cos a plus sine a by cos a, right? So 1 by cos a is what, my dear? Sec a plus sine a by cos a will be what, my dear? Tan a. So this will be the answer. And this question, oh my god, this question, put the value and get the answer. Don't ask this question. Very easy question. Hi Tejas. Don't say this, buddy. So if you go through my live classes, my dear, the question we have discussed in the class, you know, the question came in the paper almost same, my dear, and 2, 3, 4 questions are exactly same. Under root 3 plus under root 5 irrational, prove irrational. If you remember, we did that question yesterday. Hi Upashna. So every question almost we have discussed in the live class, my dear, and that's why this is my personal opinion. I think the student who would have come in my live classes regularly, the student is going to score good marks in their exam. Okay, moving to next. A trader has 3 different types of oil of volume 870 liter, 812 liter, 638 liter. Find the least number of containers of equal size required to store all the oil without getting mixed, my dear, without getting mixed. So in this question you have to find out LCM, the number which can divide all these 3, right? So go and find the HCF here. I think 870, 58, 58, 58, 58. Yes, 58, I think I can say 58 will be the HCF. HCF will be 58, my dear. Can we check here? 58 can divide this or not? So 58 can divide this by 58. 1 ja 58, and this is 9. 1 0. And 58 4 ja. So find out the HCF. I just predicted, I just guessed this number, so it is not matching. So I think 58 40 can divide or not? 40 40 40 40 40 40 40. So 9 7 7 2 will come, na? Yeah, 2 will come. Sorry, what we are writing there? So 2 will come. 8 5 40, carry 4. So can we check as 6? So that will become higher number. So we can check as 5 time 58 5 ja. So this will be 0 4. Oh my God! Yes, 58 I predicted correct. 58 is correct. Yes. 58 is dividing all the numbers. So go and find the HCF, my dear. I think the answer will be 40. I can say 40 will be there. So it will take time. I need to solve other question also. Can you solve this question? Go and take LCM of this number. Take LCM of 812, take LCM of 638, right? And after taking the LCM, you can find out the HCF. And after getting the HCF, divide all the values. Okay, so this is very easy question. Go and solve this question. Moving to next. So the question, what we have to do here? Find out the HCF. Go. Okay. Now, moving to next question. Yes. Is it clear all? So basically these are the questions. So in next live session I'll be coming out in next live session with all these questions, subjective question of set 2. We'll be doing analysis. So my dear, all the questions, let me show you one very important thing here. Find the probability of ball, very easy. This question we have already discussed in my live class, and the parameter of this question, very easy. A kite flying, oh my God, I have suggested you yesterday in some application of trigonometry. What you need to do? Draw the diagram clearly. Very good, Nalir. Very good. So what we have to do here, draw the diagram clearly after reading the question. And this is the beauty of maths. If you have drawn the diagram clearly, you get marks at least 1 2. If you follow the steps, taking right angle triangle, applying trigonometric ratio, you can get the result. Hi Rudramani, hello everyone. Okay. So now this question for mean or median. Wow, mean, very easy question. Come on, who have attempted the question, all the question from statistics? Let me know, my dear, you guys have attempted or not. And these both the questions are very simple. If you attempted this question, this is very easy. Median is given to you. If median is 32.5, so where 32.5 will lie, this here will lie. So this will become your median class. This will become your median class. So either you can attempt this question, this is also easy and this is also easy. And frequency, the numbers are already smaller, so we can apply here as you mean method in first question. Okay. Now, this question is very easy. A person on tour, this is word problem question. You remember, guys, what I have suggested you yesterday? My instruction, always read the last line. What is the last line, my dear? Can you see here? Find the original duration. I don't know. So let the original duration be X of the tour and the daily expense. We don't know. Let daily expense is Y. So if you assume the value as X and Y, you can, yes, very good. Very good, everyone. So if you assume X and Y, you can create the equation. Otherwise, I'll be coming out in next class solving this question, all the case study based question, and this question last one. Okay. So next session, next class will be there for analysis of all subjective question came in your board exam. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed. And every question is very, I just looked out your question paper. There is nothing, and you guys were hyping a lot. You guys were worried about the question paper, what kind of question will become. My dear champion, every question is from your syllabus, everything. If you have prepared well, if your preparation was well, nothing was, I think, challenging to you guys. So Rudramani, Saki, everyone, so thank you so much for having in the live class, for coming in live class, and let's meet in the next class by with analysis of subjective question of this question paper. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, and don't panic, don't demotivate. Whatever you did in exam, very good, and please now look forward, look ahead, what will be your next exam, because only one paper will not decide your overall result. If unfortunately you could not get good marks in mathematics, and if you score at least 90 in every subject, so your overall result will be good. So instead of focusing only on maths and panicking from inside within, so I think this is not good thing about a student. So I think you should focus on next exam. Your next exam should not be impacted negatively. This is my humble request to you all. So everything okay.